So, hello students, I hope you are doing well. This is our fourth class of chapter number 1, that is number, right? So, we will solve some question. So, the first question on your screen is write 5,600,000, right? 5,600,000. We have to write this in standard form. So, what do you mean by standard form? Standard form means something one digit and then after one digit it has one decimal, right? And then we will write the other number and multiplied by 10 to the power something, right? This is called what? Standard form. So basically standard form means one digit would be in the left side, right? In the left side it must be only one digit after the decimal and before the decimal, and after decimal it could be any number, right? And all zero we will write on the top of the 10 as a power, right? Power or exponent, whatever you could say. Okay, let's solve. So try to convert this 5,600,000 in this form. Okay, so how can we write this? First, where is the decimal? Can you see any decimal over here? If there is a no decimal, assume a decimal at the end of this number, right? And you can write like that also. Okay. Okay. Now we have to move this decimal in the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this decimal is shifted after 6 digits, right? So it would be 5.6 and 10 to the power how much? 6. Why? Because there are 6 jump. Or you could write in the other way, like suppose you have 5,600,000. So you can write, see, decimal 0. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. So you can write 10 to the power 5 multiplied by 556, right? 56.0. Can we write? Yes, we can. After moving one decimal in the left side, so if the decimal move in left direction, so the power will be added, right? So 5.6 into 10 to the power 6. I hope now you are clear. Moving to the next. Write this in decimal form. Now we have to write this in decimal form. How can we write it in decimal form? So negative power means move the decimal 4 places where? Left. Right? This decimal we have to move in left direction. See, 3.2. Where is the decimal right now? Here. 10 to the power minus 4. You could also write like that, 3.2 over. Okay, this means also over. This thing is in your bottom, or you could say in denominator, right? So it is what? 10,000. After solving it, or after moving to the left directions, you will get 1, 2, 3 zeros and one digit number 0.2. Sorry, not point. Decimal is right now over here. Decimal is here and 2. That's it, right? And now this negative power is finished. This is your answer. Moving to the next. Which one is the greater? This or that? Okay, see very carefully. The power 4.5 and here we have decimal number 6.2. Which one is the greater? Obviously 6.2. But if we compare 10 to the power 7 and 10 to the power 6, so 10 to the power 7, which one is the greater? 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6. Which one is greater? This one, the left one. 10 to the power 7 means what? 1 and 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Obviously, it would be greater than the 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So, 10 to the power 7, it means this one is greater than, the left one is greater than the right one. Good. Now, how do we multiply a standard form numbers? So, digits, what the digit over here? 3 and 2. 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, and the power number we have 10 to the power 5 and 10 to the power 3. 3 times 2, how much? 6. Good. And now what about this one? If the base is same, see here we have formula. If we have 10 to the power suppose A and 10 to the power suppose B, so the according to the formula, the power will be added, right? It not be multiplied. In what case we can multiply? In this case. Now in this case, we have to multiply A, B, right? In this case, we will multiply, but not in this case. In this case, we will add the powers, okay? So here the base are same. So just add it 5 plus 3, how much? It's 8. 6 times 10 to the power 8. That's your answer. Now, next. Again, you can do step by step 6 over 3 because we have to divide, right? Division means we have to write in the denominator. Numerator as a 6, right? And 3 as a denominator. Similarly, in case of power, 10 to the power 9 will be upper number as a numerator and 10 to the power 4 will be in denominator. So, in 2 times we are getting 6, 2. And what about the next? In this scenario, do you know what will happen? If 10 to the power A upon 10 to the power B, then 10 to the power A minus B, right? The denominator power will be what? We have to do minus it. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is what? 10 to the power 5. That's your answer. Okay? Express this in standard form. Standard form, again, you know very well how to write standard form. Standard form, write the first number and then decimal and the rest number. Okay? And multiplied by 10 to the power, the power, right? What power it has. So here the decimal is, see, where is the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now where we have to move this decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? we have to move this decimal 4-digit right, in the right side, I mean, right? So if we move in the right side, power will be in negative. Okay. So 8.1 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Or you can solve by this one as also 0.1230, 81. Right. How can we remove this decimal? 1 second. How can we remove this decimal? By multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power 5 upon 10 to the power 5, right? So it would be 81 over 10 to the power 5. Okay, are you getting so far? And now 81 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, but this is not standard form. In standard form, there must be a decimal after 8. Okay, so if right now, where is the decimal? 81.0. Can we assume like this? 81.0 and 10 to the power minus 5. When the decimal moves from right to left, so 8.1, 10 to the power minus 5 is already there. If the decimal moves in left side, right, in the left side, then the power would be in positive. So 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power plus 1, how much? Obviously 8.1, 10 to the power minus 4, right? You can check. See, one thing note in your mind. If the decimal moves right to left, right to left, the power will be in negative, right? And the second thing, if the decimal moves left to right, the power would be in positive. Okay? Next. Here we have distance of something. Suppose there are two house. Okay? Two house. One is bigger, one is the smaller, and the distance between them 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 kilometers, right? And the speed, if we run from one home to another, so the speed we have to use 7.5 into 10 to the power 6. This is, I think, this is the speed of car, maybe. This is the not a speed of a normal human. Okay. Suppose by car, if we go from one home to another, this speed is 7.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer per 1 day, right? This much kilometer in 1 day this car covers. Okay, so do you know the formula? Speed time, right? Put the value and try to solve. Speed, how much is speed? 7.5 into 10 to the power 6 equals distance 2.25 into 10 to the power 8, and the time, how much time it will take. So how can you find the time? For time, 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 7.5 into 10 to the power 6, right? Now, when we divide by 7.5, so we will get 0.3. And what about that? It would be minus, right? When it goes in the numerator. So 0.3 multiplied by 10 to the power 2, how much it is? It's 30. 30 days. In 30 days, right? How much time it will take? 30 days. Okay, if the speed is 7.5 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer per day, then it will cover 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer distance in 30 days, right? That's the mean of this question. Okay, so that's all for now. In the next class, we will discuss some further topics. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. And if you have any query, right? If you have any kind of doubts regarding IGCSE core and extended, right? Any other topic related doubts do you have? So you can put your queries in the comment box. I'm here to help you. Okay. See you soon.